to download YouTube video to phone gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download YouTube video to phone gallery. So first of all, just simply open up your YouTube, and after that just search for the video that you would want to download. For example, I want to download this particular video from my channel, let's say. And after that, you just simply have to click on this share icon from the video itself and just copy the link from here. And now just come out of your YouTube account and just open Chrome. And over here on the search bar, just simply search for YouTube video downloader and click on the first link that you will see on the top. And over here, just paste this link that you have just copied from the video on YouTube. And after that, just simply click on download. And now it says that your video is ready to download. Just simply click on download video. And as you can see that the video has been downloaded, click on save and click on save again. So now you can play the video and see it on your device and in your gallery. So this is basically how you will be able to download YouTube video to phone gallery. I hope you find this video to be helpful.